Bosch is one of the largest tier 1 suppliers out there, and the themes of the industry currently are connected, automated, and electrified. Right? So connectivity is one of the biggest piece of the puzzle. We do all kinds of connected product to connect the vehicle to the network, farm equipments to the network, all kinds of devices to the network, and so on. So when it comes to connectivity, it's a very diverse area. You can have a lot of environmental aspects, a lot of field aspects. Our devices should be in a position to work all over the place. Just to give an example, one of the customers, agricultural majors, we developed a connected product for, and we had to literally go out in the field and we had to test it out for calculation of acreage, for instance. At that time, every time going out to the field during the development is very difficult and time consuming. So we came across Doppelio as a part of our startup program, and their solution seems to be fitting perfectly, and they seem to be an extremely motivated team. So we thought we'll give it a go, and we tried that, and we could test most of our features from the cloud with their virtualized hardware, simulating the acreage conditions. The other example that I would like to give is we were working for North American OEM in the commercial vehicle industry, and we had to literally simulate, under varying network conditions, how will the FOTA functionality work? As you know, FOTA is a very vital functionality, and like mobile phones, even cars can be updated today, and it's becoming more and more common. So in the process, we had to do an extensive validation in terms of both functionality as well as load under various different stress conditions and network and environment conditions. We had to deploy our functionalities in the field for the first time in North America. So we really had to test it with the local environment, with all the network conditions and so on, and also look at the scale part of it and so on. So it was quite difficult and very expensive if we had to do everything and set up a lab over there and so on. So we found Doppelio's solution very apt and interesting to try and see if we could do most of these kind of tests in a simulated environment. So they provided this virtualized environment in which we can have the FOTA cloud, we can have this virtualized device through which we can simulate various network conditions, environment conditions, do the whole functionality testing, corner case testing, for instance, and thereby exercise our FOTA campaigns, for example, even for scale in hundreds of thousands of devices equivalent. And this helped us, get a leapfrog in terms of where we start when we go to the field. And we had a lot of reduced number of challenges in the field when we took this approach. Doppelio came across to be very, very helpful and effective in the process, and also the excellent team with a lot of exciting engineers willing to come forward and support us and learn together.